In a world where the earth meets the sky, where nature's grandeur touches heaven, there exists a timeless majesty that captivates the soul. The mountains. Welcome to another episode by WetourDetour. Today, we continue our trek to Kuari Pass. Good morning, guys. Day 3 at Kuari Pass, and it's 8 a.m. It's been freezing cold all night. हम लोग जम गए हैं लिटरली. हमारे टेंट के ऊपर बर्फ जमी हुई है.
But it's a beautiful morning. Clouds views amazing and sun बिल्कुल पीछे एकदम गर्माहट देता हुआ.
The sun is out. We love the sun.
इसको फॉलो करते हुए कुआरी पास के लिए निकल रहे हैं. So let's see how it goes.
Yep. So Kuari Pass from here, I think it would take 3 hours, dude.
3 hours return, probably 3 to 4 hours. We'll be back.
3 to 4 hours. We'll spend like an hour over there. We'll try and show you some good visuals along the way. See you soon. As we inch closer to our destination, a question comes to mind. Why do we travel? Dude, you go first.
We travel for exploration.
For mental and physical health,
To expand our horizons.
to make memories,
To share humanity.
Animal footprints हैं. There could be a dog. There could be another wild animal. Who knows?
मेरा घर था पता कितनी दूर स्कूल से इतना पत्थर दिख रहा है. मेरा स्कूल में बाइक से आता था मोटरसाइकिल से और 15 मिनट लेट पहुंचता था.
I think we gain a tremendous amount of wisdom when we travel. You have to learn where things are. You are attuned to your environment and you have to be careful about the weather.
read this somewhere that when we wander, when we allow ourselves to get lost, maybe we'll find ourselves somewhere. And पता है सर जी, traveling forces you to be social. You have to get directions.
हाँ, जैसे कि रहने कहाँ वाले हो,
खाने कहाँ वाले हो,
आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कैसे जाने वाले हो.
पहुंचने के बाद देखना क्या चाहते हो.
It's an experience like no other. नई नई जगह देखना.
And as long as you have a sense of direction, आप अपना रास्ता ढूंढ ही लोगे. You'll figure it out.
क्या है? यहाँ पे रुक नहीं पाए तो और नीचे जाएंगे. पता आपको क्या होता है? वही जहाँ कोई आता जाता है.
जो बहुत जंगली कोने वाले में पहले वहाँ बैठे थे देखे ना पत्थर उधर उधर. 20 मिनट 20 ज़्यादा नहीं है. थोड़ी देर पहले वहाँ पे थे वो टॉप पे. अब यहाँ आ गया. अभी वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे.
क्या सुंदर है यार सामने वाला.
सामने पीछे आगे दाएं बाएं कहीं देख लो. क्या सुंदर है. इसमें हाथी कौन सा घोड़ा कौन सा है?
हाथी वाली है राइट वाला.
अच्छा और पीछे घोड़ा है.
हाँ वो घोड़ा लग रहा है ना याद.
ऐसे तो बनाएंगे नहीं पूरा.
हाथी घोड़ा क्यों नहीं लगता? वो लगता है।
अरे काल लग रहा है।
जोशीमठ से देखने यार, जोशीमठ से दिखता वो।
एंगल के ऊपर था, एंगल हम किस एंगल से देखे?
अरे हम हर एंगल से देख चुके हैं ऐसे।
नहीं वो हाथी तो दिख रहा था,
नीचे से भी देखा था ऐसे।
हाथी जैसा तो दिख रहा है, उसको आगे देखो ना, आगे देखो।
Gold.
As we get closer to Kuari Pass, the change in scenery and the air is a feeling that is kind of indescribable.
हमारी मेहनत रंग दिखा रही है ब्रो. 12,700 feet has its own sense of accomplishment.
हाँ, हमें आने पे 3 दिन लग गए, बट ये ट्रैक बहुत ही खास है.
That is where we came from. Walked all the way, trekked all the way from there. Our Indian flag. What an amazing feeling to see this flag out here. Whew. That's the man who made this possible. जिसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे आ पाए, वो ये शख्स है. So sir, कुआरी पास हम पहुँच गए हैं. 3 दिन लगे हमें. व्यू हम सबने देख ही लिया अभी तक.
कैसा रहा तेरा एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्ट टाइम का?
ब्यूटीफुल. मतलब ऐसी लोकेशन पे आके मुझे आपसे कुछ बातें करनी थी. आज सुबह मैंने देखा आप मेडिटेट कर रहे थे. तो आई थिंक यू बिलीव इन स्पिरिचुअलिटी.
Spirituality is a different term, but this is I'm on the path to spirituality. So I'm just exploring all the options. I'm just reading all the stuff. Plus meditation is one thing that I have started. So meditation is the first step to actually go into the spirituality path.
Okay, but what is spirituality for you?
Spirituality for me is just to become one with the nature. So everything that is around you, that you have to be at par with those things. You cannot feel like you're above someone, you're below someone. आपको हमेशा देखना पड़ेगा कि सब कुछ तुम्हारा ही पार्ट है. That is first step. So you have to get that understanding. ऐसा नहीं होता. It's not easy. When you're working, when you have kids, when you're working in office, कुछ issues हो रहे हैं, then you have to have this understanding कि नहीं मुझे इस पे कुछ action लेना है. But spirituality for me would be to take no action. So that is a difficult path to take. When everything is happening around me, I'm not taking any steps. Then I would say that I'm spiritual. It doesn't have to be that you have to follow any particular god or you have to follow any particular belief. You can be whatever you want to be, but still follow the path of nature. Do not destroy anyone. I've been trekking different mountains and I can see that vegetation has changed. Or you talk to local people and they will say, okay, now like 50 years back, 20 years back, this place used to have like a lot of snow, a lot of vegetation, but now it has all gone.
I'll give you a very simple example. I see your obsession with the stars. Okay, we've shot some amazing shots, and I see your obsession with it. I know that when we were नीचे थे जब हम जोशीमठ में, हमें stars नहीं दिख रहे थे वहाँ से. हम ऊपर आए कुआरी पे, कुल्हारा पे. The sky was full of stars because pollution नीचे था.
Clouds भी थे नीचे, pollution बिल्कुल नहीं था. So that is what stars are already there. It's not कि वो चेंज चले जाते हैं. Stars are already there. It's just
और कुछ सालों पहले हमें सिटी से stars दिखाई देते थे. तो सर spirituality को लेके ये डिबेट तो आपने भी सुनी है, मैंने भी सुनी है कि whether there is a god or no god. So we all know that there is a higher intelligence that is around us, and we see the beauty, we see the nature around us. So आपका भगवान में मानना है कि नहीं है?
मेरा है. I believe in Shiva, I believe in Vishnu, I believe in Brahma. How this whole universe incepted, how it all started. Because I know I've read Vedas, I'm learning Sanskrit. So I know that the fact that they have written in those Vedas which are like thousands and lakhs of years old, and everything is appropriate, like whatever the scientists are currently exploring, it is already mentioned at that point of time. And it also tells the story about like how Shiva was part of creating the universe, how Brahma was part of it. So I cannot deny some facts and I can approve or accept some facts. Just the basis of my convenience, right?
We go to celebrities, we've seen some greats. Yeah. We've seen Sachin Tendulkar. ठीक है. Now we can say कि Sachin Tendulkar was born to play cricket. ठीक है. तो ऐसे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि there are so many people who are born to like Ronaldo and Messi was born to play football. So there are so many people, उनका clear है path शुरू से. They know they were born for this. But सबको नहीं पता. People are still exploring. People are still
searching for their meaning in life, you know. That way I'm asking you.
So for that way, I probably do not want to lay any emphasis on that, because for me, Sachin is the greatest of cricket. Like, you know, to
Right.
be very honest. But I still do not believe that he has solved his purpose of life. I have found this kind of path, which I believe that this is small timeline, small dot in a timeline which is like millions of years. I cannot lay emphasis on my life in this particular life, that, you know, this is what my life purpose is. No, my life purpose has been pushing me through past births as well. And this is what, you know, very very complex thing to discuss, you know, because not many people believe in that.
Right.
I know the path. Now my path is faster. For example, we have a guide here, right?
Right.
Just imagine you're coming here without guide. How much time you'll take? You'll take 3 days, 4 days, or might not even sure that you'll reach here, right? We took the guide just because we know this is the right path, this is the faster path.
We take a guide on an everyday basis, sir. हमें रास्ता नहीं पता होता, हम Google Map लगा लेते.
So मेरा जो guide है, मेरा guide मिल चुका है. So I'm on the fastest path. I don't want to wander around here and there, because my life has a path, and I'm already, like, almost half of it is already gone, which I can utilize. So I do not want to waste any more time thinking about what is real, what is not, how to follow, how to not. So I've cleared my mind that this is my half life. I have to move forward in this direction, and this is what I'm doing. And this is for me a proper solution for myself. But other person can have different solutions, and they're welcome to do whatever they want to do. If you're lucky, you'll reach there. If you're not, you'll have next word.
तो ये थी दिल की बात at Kuari Pass with dude and me.
See you again.
See you guys. ये कौन सी है भैया सामने वाली?
ये पंगटशिला.
ओके.
ये रहा आपका ड्याली पास. ये बड़ा वाला दिखाई दे रहा है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
ये पीछे तीखा वाला है, ऋषिकोट. और ये द्रोणागिरी हो गया. द्रोणागिरी के पीछे एक वाइट वाला दिखाई दे रहा है ना? ये ज़्यादा छोटा सा. वो है हनुमान पीक. और इसके लेफ्ट साइड पे ये गरुड़.
अच्छा.
वो पीछे वाला.
हाँ.
और ये 2-3 है ना एक ही साथ है.
हाँ,
ये लंबा का 1-2.
अच्छा.
इसके बाद ये देख लो बरमल. और ये हाथी घोड़ा हो गया. इसके बाद ये आगे आपका त्रिशूल.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद तो पूरा क्लाउड से दिख ही नहीं रहा.